Transparency in the distributed system. Distributed system should be perceived by user and application programmer as a whole rather than as a collection of cooperating components. Transparency has different aspects. These present various properties that distributed system should have. Basic design issues. General software engineering principles include rigor and formality, separation of concerns, modularity, abstraction, anticipation of changes. Specific issues for distributed system: naming, communication, software structure, system architecture, workload, allocation, consistency, maintenance. These are the major basic design issues. Naming. A name is resolved when translated into an interpretable form for resource object reference. Communication identifier, IP address plus port number. Name resolution involves several translation steps in the whole distributed system. Design consideration, choice of namespace for each resource type, name service to resolve resource name to communication ID. Name service include naming context, resolution, hierarchical structure, resource protections. Communication. Separated component communicate with sending process and receiving process for the data transfer and synchronization. Message passing, send and receive primitives, synchronous or blocking, asynchronous or non-blocking. Abstraction define channels, socket, ports, communication patterns. Client server communication, RPC function shipping and group multicast. In a software structure, there is a layer in centralized computer system. It contains computer and network hardware, operating system, middleware, and the application. In the software structure, layer and dependency is distributed in distributed system. How it is depending upon computer and network hardware on which open system kernel services are depending upon. Distributed programming supports system depending upon open system kernel system. Distributed programming support and open services on which the applications are depending upon. So this is a layer in which the dependency is there. System architectures, client server, peer to peer, services provided by multiple servers, proxy servers, caches, mobile code, and mobile agents. Network computers, thin client, and mobile devices. Clients invoke individual servers. Any of the client can talk to the server and it can invoke it. There is a key process and the computer, those can combine together for the process. Peer-to-peer systems, there will be a many peer, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, n number of peer systems which can talk to each other, and they will be depending upon for many of the application for the shareable objects. A service by multiple servers, there will be a different servers can talk to each other and can provide the services to the different clients. There are many models like this. Web proxy servers, there will be a web servers. They are connected to the proxy servers, and through the proxy servers, the client, they are connected, and the data will be given to them. Everywhere, the consistency of the data is supposed to be maintained. That is the challenge. Web applets, client request result in the downloading of applet code. Client, web server, applet code. Client interact with the applet. It is interacting with the applet. Web servers, thin client and compute server. Network computer or PCs, thin client is connected to the network for the application process. Computer servers. Definition of distributed system and comparison to centralized system. The characteristic of distributed system, the 8 form of transparencies, the basic design issues.